What is the single busiest shopping day in the United States? It is the day after Christmas, also known as Boxing Day. And at this time, it's not about revenue and sales, it is about returns. Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And today, Morning Musing will cover the thoughts about what do companies like Walmart, like Target, and you name it, all the big retailers do after Christmas or in general, after they got something returned. In the past, it was all sorted and there was a secondary market evaluated, but with more and more retailers going online, the question is it worth it to ship a $10 product back to be restocked or to be scrapped because nobody wants to take care of a returned $10 product? Big companies are using more and more AI in order to do that task. And if you're a customer, if you're buying something online, you may have seen that in the past weeks and months, that your attempted return was given with no interest and you got the credit, whatever you want to do with the product. Donate it, trash it, but you got your money back. This new trend about AI leads me to muse about one thought. Who is helping you in your company about decisions? What kind of AI could you implement to streamline your operation? What kind of AI would benefit your customers? And if you have any thoughts on that, would really enjoy listening or reading to them. And this could be the source for another musing. In the meantime, if you are returning goods and you don't have a chance to return them, don't wonder. The decision for you not to return goods may be powered by AI.